Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable or disable the full screen display on this device. Okay, so here you can see here I already enabled the button navigation. So let me show you how to disable this one and how to enable the full screen display. Simply go to settings. Okay, now scroll down. Here you can see the option display. Tap on this one. Now again scroll down. So here you can see the option navigation bar. Tap on this one. You can see two type of navigation bar, buttons and swipe gestures. So in this device I enable the button gestures. So if you want to swipe the full screen swipe gestures or full screen display, select the option swipe gestures. You can see that buttons are disabled from the screen and it is on the full screen. So let me show you how to use this full screen display. So if you want to go the home page, just swipe up from the bottom tab. If you want to go to the recent application, swipe up and hold it. If you want to go to the back page, swipe inwards from the right side or swipe inwards from the left side. Okay, so simply in this way we can enable and we can use the full screen display on this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.